whenever plastic is heated it reacts very badly.
Right.
So please make your house plastic free. कहते हैं कि पानी अमृत भी हो सकता है और यही पानी आपके लिए जहर भी हो सकता
जहर भी हो
है.
सकता है.
So it has become like a poison and drinking excesses of water is really not good. Please don't get influenced by all the influencers. Listen to your body and act little scientifically. अब लोग हमसे डिबेट करते हैं कि मैडम हमें तो वाइन लेना चाहिए, वाइन बड़ा गुड होता है हेल्थ के लिए, दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. बट it's a way of wine industry how beautifully it has marketed.
Oh,
Alcohol is alcohol,
right.
whether it is a wine or whether whatever name you have. एकादशी जो होता है हर 14 दिन में आता है, तो एकादशी is a very good thing because that was a way of fasting. Every 2 weeks our body used to detox. बट इसको एकादशी को क्या कर दिया है कि अभी एकादशी की शुरुआत होगी अच्छे साबूदाने की खिचड़ी से, एकादशी की शुरुआत होती है आपके इसके पोटैटो चिप्स से, और ऐसी चीज़ें आप एकदम सिंगाड़े के आटे की पूड़ी बनती है तो हलवा बनता है. वो एकादशी नहीं है, वो तो आप बस अपने मन को मना रहे हो कि हाँ भाई मैंने तो फास्टिंग किया है. डिटॉक्स के ऊपर एक मिथ सबकी दूर करना चाहूँगी. आपके बॉडी में लीवर, किडनी, स्किन, ये आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. You will not be getting in Phoenix Mall, you'll not be getting it in any of the big malls. It is inside in your body and it's a God's gift.
Right.
And they are the filtering process
Correct.
of your body.
Absolutely. Hello and welcome to Pune Times Mirror's thought-provoking series, Wellness Heroes, celebrating those who inspire, heal, and care. In today's episode, we'll delve into the misconceptions about general health issues, which is spread across a broad spectrum, influenced by income, geographic location, and access to resources, not to forget fueled by rumors. We are joined today by a very special guest, Dr. Sonal Purohit, who is not only a doctor, but she is a wellness and a lifestyle celebrity coach. Welcome to the show, Dr. Purohit. It's a pleasure to have you with us.
Thank you.
I'm your host, Prince Chaudhary. So let's get started. So, Dr. Sonal, my
Yeah.
question is that the myth
Yeah.
about drinking 8 glasses of 5 liters of water a day, is
Yeah.
it good or is it bad?
It's very bad because person loses their electrolytes.
Electrolytes.
Yes. And once you're losing your electrolyte, then it starts affecting your kidney, how your kidney is functioning. So we have also one of the current patient, we have warned him by not drinking so much of water, but some people are habituated of drinking water. Even my patient used to get up in the midnight and then he used to drink water and then he used to sleep. So almost 6-7 liters he has been drinking water.
So they're overhydrating themselves.
Overhydration is not good.
It's not
the
good.
hydration has to be according to your weight.
Right.
For example, if you're 70 kg of your weight and if you're having a little active life, that means you're doing a little bit of gymming and little bit of your cardio activity, then 3.5 liter is at its max. So it should go with your weight.
Oh, it should go with
Yes,
your weight.
yes.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're inviting all those issues which is really not applicable to your body. And renal failure is one of the issue which is happening. And my patient is now under dialysis.
You're under dialysis?
Yes, he's under dialysis. And we have been warning him. This water can be, कहते हैं कि पानी अमृत भी हो सकता है और यही पानी आपके लिए जहर भी हो सकता
जहर
है.
भी हो सकता है.
So it has become like a poison. And drinking excesses of water is really not good. Please don't get influenced by all the influencers. Listen to your body and act little scientifically.
Right, right. So the next, still sticking to water,
Yeah.
drinking cold water while having a meal
Yeah.
and drinking cold water after having a meal, especially if you've had a very oily meal.
Yeah.
How does it impact the body? Is this good, bad, or
See, let's not come with the hot and cold right now. Let's come with the water.
Yeah.
So when you're having your meal, little bit of water is fine because
Okay.
you're chewing your food and it becomes digestible.
Okay.
But when you're just done with your meal, we don't advise them to have water just immediately after.
Immediately,
Yes.
yeah.
Because already your digestive tract is in a functioning.
Right.
It's functioning and it is digesting your food.
Absolutely.
So हम जो जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं जठा अग्नि,
Okay.
जो that's your fire element
Right.
is still awake. So once you're drinking a water, so already your fire element is awake. You're
Right.
putting up a water. So food which is about to get digested, it stays in your intestine. और वो सड़ा हुआ खाना को फिर आप कितने दिन तक उसको लेकर के घूमोगे, एंड देन
Absolutely.
नेक्स्ट डे यू विल बी टेलिंग द फूड इज बैड, आई एम बिकमिंग एसिडिक, आई एम गेटिंग अ गैस्ट्रिक, आई एम हैविंग अ गैस्ट्रिक इशू, or I'm having a problem like burping or
Oh.
constantly, having a gastric problem.
Gastric
Yes, yes. So in that situation, please drink water only after 40 minutes.
40
Let the process should be very normal and natural.
The digestion process.
Yes. See, we always tell that listen to your body, number one. Number two, stick to basics.
Stick to basics.
Let's not make things complicated.
Absolutely.
A, B, C, D वही रहने वाला है.
बिल्कुल.
Because there's so much of research has happened, but we cannot change the basic. And basic speaks that whenever you're having your food, after 40 minutes, you should drink water.
So
Because
when you talk when you told me a little while earlier that
Yeah.
drinking little bit, I guess a few sips are okay.
few sips are okay,
Few sips.
because that is going to chew your food,
Correct.
that make your food to
Right.
be more digestible.
Right.
But then if just immediately after your food you're just taking a gallop of water, and then you'll not be feeling very comfortable, because you're not giving chance to get digested.
Absolutely.
And all the undigested food will be inviting all toxics and acidity.
What about warm water and cold water
See,
during meals and after meals?
warm over here I will not be differentiating.
Okay.
It's your personal choice. If you
Okay.
like warm water, you can continue having
Okay.
it, but warm water twice in a day is good enough.
Twice
you're
in a day.
Yes, because once you're getting up in the morning, your toxicity comes out.
Right.
Before sleeping, you're feeling comfortable, you're taking a little warm water.
Okay.
In between, if you're feeling, if you're getting an urge of having a cold water, please go ahead, but take care of your throat.
Take care of your throat. Okay, so eating late at night,
Yes,
okay,
yes,
leads to weight gain.
yes.
So is
Yes.
that is that
Yes. Now it depends what meal you're having in the night. So if you're having a very heavy dinner, so any food after 6:37, because after 6:37 o'clock,
right?
our digestive tract becomes slow down.
Okay.
Our metabolic rate becomes slow.
Low.
So under that circumstances, if you're having a very high carbohydrate food, so it is
High
not
carb food.
high carb foods. So it will not be getting a chance to
Right.
get digested.
Right.
So under that situation, any food which is not getting digested, it is purely your fat and sugar.
Hmm.
So it's going to deposit in your body.
Correct.
But in this, there is a small loophole.
Right.
If you're having a very low caloric food, but you're having actually a little night, like maybe 9:30, 10, so that may not be very harmful.
Hmm.
So again, I'm talking back to basics.
Right.
My treatments are never fancy. What we have been learned in our childhood: eat your breakfast like a king,
King.
and your lunch has to be like a queen, and your dinner has to be like a beggar.
Right.
So अगर आप beggar की तरह खा रहे हो खाना, so आपको उतना problem नहीं होगा.
नहीं होगा.
But मैं यहाँ पे सबको यही advice करूँगी, your dinner has to be early, because Indian meals are like a luxury.
Absolutely.
पूरे मेजबान आप देखोगे तो खाने से सज जाता है.
Okay.
People are foodie. I
I
mean,
know.
that's and they are increasing with the statistics what we have
Absolutely.
understood.
Absolutely.
So they love eating food. So
Absolutely.
for them, high carb food is a stable food. So if the high carb food in the night, if that consuming, अगर एक रोटी की जगह सब्जी अच्छी लगी तो 3 रोटी खा लिया, तो
Right.
you are not stopping your tongue. You are
Correct.
not controlling
I know.
over there.
Absolutely.
So it will be converted into fats and sugar. And third point over here, you have to give scope for digestion,
Absolutely.
and that has to be 2 hours before your sleep.
2 hours before.
Yes,
before-
yes, your meal has to be 2 hours before your sleep, so that you're giving a scope of digestion.
Absolutely.
But what is happening? People are having night shifts, people are coming late, they are watching Netflix, they're having dinner. Some of them are just a Swiggy away, Zapto is away, just one minute Zapto is away for them.
Right.
So they're ordering food, they're enjoying their full carb meal, and next day they feel bloated, they feel heavy, and they're saying मेरा 500 ग्राम तो एक रात के डिनर से ही हो गया. But who is responsible? Who is a culprit? So over here, mindfulness is very important.
Yeah, and I think if you have a meal and go to sleep, say about 10-15 minutes later,
Yes.
your body doesn't get a chance to digest, because when you sleep,
Yes.
it slows down.
Yes.
Right.
See, in your digestive tract, when the food is not getting digested, मैं तो यहाँ सबसे एक सवाल करना चाहूँगी. I mean, continuation to our conversation. आप अगर खाना फ्रिज में रात को नहीं रखते हो तो क्या होता है? It's a question.
Correct.
So अगर रात भर आपका खाना फ्रिज में नहीं रखा है, तो that becomes toxic.
Absolutely.
पूरे कीड़े आ जाएंगे, बैक्टीरियाज आ जाएगा,
Yes.
और वो आपको दोबारा खाने की इच्छा नहीं होगी.
Oh, yeah.
So similarly is for a food also.
Absolutely.
If it is in your digestive tract and it
Right.
is not digested, वो टॉक्सिन है हमारे शरीर के लिए.
Hmm.
सो वो टॉक्सिन को लेकर के आप अगले दिन उठोगे, यू विल बी फीलिंग लेथार्जिक, यू विल नॉट बी फीलिंग फ्रेश, you will be feeling you will be feeling irritable, you'll be not
Right.
you'll not be into your zeal, or you'll not be into your mood to do your
Absolutely.
work.
Absolutely.
So वैसे सिचुएशन में you will be developing acidic, खट्टा पानी मुंह में आना, आपके डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक की हे वायर हो जाती है, all your gut bacterias are not getting positive, and then you will be start getting more and more of constipated. So ये सारी चीजें लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर की ओर पे ले जाता है.
Lifestyle disorder.
यस. तो सर यहाँ पे एक ही बात मैं सबको बोलूँगी, सारे व्यूअर्स को, कि आपका एक जो डिनर है वो ही आपके लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर का सबसे बड़ा रीज़न है. अगर आपको अपने लाइफस्टाइल डिसऑर्डर को ठीक करना है, just change your dinner timing and just change your big plate to small
Smaller
plate.
plate.
And then you'll be finding lot of changes in your body, and follow it for 21 days. I'm not giving longer time, but I'm just sharing you that you just follow it for 21
You'll
days.
be able to make out the difference.
You will be able to make out. You'll be feeling lighter. The moment you feel lighter, you'll feel fresher.
Right.
The moment you're feeling fresher, you will feel like doing other work. You'll be able to devote time for your exercise as well.
Absolutely.
So आपका जो वो आधा एक घंटा जो मॉर्निंग में आप लेट उठते हो, आप थोड़ा जल्दी उठोगे, you'll be start working on your body. So
Right.
that small dinner time and your small, you can say the plate size will affect your lifestyle in a positive way.
तो डॉक्टर सोनल, एक और क्वेश्चन ज़हन में आता है कि खाने के बाद, रात के खाने के बाद एक वॉक लेना जरूरी है?
बिल्कुल, एकदम.
कितने समय के बाद, खाने के बाद?
आपके खाने के 15-20 मिनट के बाद, यू कैन नॉट रन इमीडिएटली आफ्टर द फूड,
एब्सोल्युटली,
बट आफ्टर 15-20 मिनट्स के बाद यू शुड वॉक. आपके जो ब्लड शुगर है, आपके शुगर एकदम नॉर्मल हो जाएगी.
Okay.
द स्पाइक विल नॉट बी वेरी हाई.
Correct.
In fact, not only after dinner, but after every meal, you
It
should walk.
should walk.
Every viewers who are watching over here,
राइट.
after your meal, make a point after 15-20 minutes, at least walk. Walk for 15-20 minutes, 25 minutes if your time is permitting.
ब्रिस्क वॉकिंग
And
or just normal
the
walking?
night walks is normal.
Normal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Morning has to be brisk.
Brisk, okay.
Afternoon, if your afternoon evenings, if your time is permitting, you can have a good walk.
Good walk.
And if you're not able to walk, talk and walk. Talk
Okay,
and walk.
अच्छा, talk and walk.
Yes,
Okay.
nowadays these are new concepts. We don't have time to cover up 10,000 steps. People are saying. By the way, 10,000 steps have become like a buzz in the town.
Absolutely.
And it's a Japanese concept. Let's not follow up that.
Oh,
If
10,000.
10,000 steps.
10,000 steps.
Why it was curated? I mean, it's a question why it was curated.
Curated, yeah.
It was curated because they wanted to sell their smartwatch.
Oh.
So
okay.
they said, how will you track your 10,000 walk?
So where
So
does
that
the
has
watch-
to be by your watch.
Right, right.
So I don't encourage as such that yes, it has to be 10,000. If it's happening, it's very good. If it's not happening, please don't worry. If you're doing 7,000 to 8,000 steps in a day, it's good enough.
Okay.
And you're keeping yourself healthy by doing little bit of weight training. It's very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
Now coming to eggs. Everybody loves eggs.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So eggs, they say, contributes to high cholesterol.
Yeah.
Number one.
Yeah.
The yolk is the one which actually contributes, not the white of
Yeah.
the egg. So how many eggs do you think, Dr. Sonal, is a person should have if he has a exercise, healthy lifestyle? How many eggs is good? And does it really contribute to high cholesterol?
It's now the answer has to be generic.
Okay.
Individual profiling won't be. I won't be able to answer it because everybody is having a different health goal.
Correct.
Now, some people who are totally into bodybuilding, wrestlers, those who are coming for six-pack, body recomposition, their egg quantities are more
Definitely.
because they want to build up a more muscle. But over here, those who are vegetarian, and by the way, please, even if you're vegetarian also, I'm also by the way vegetarian. So even vegetarians can make muscles. It's not like they cannot make muscles.
Without eggs.
Yeah, without eggs. 100% without eggs.
Right.
We have clients who have come for recomposition, body recomposition. We've got models, we have got wrestlers. Some of them are pure vegetarian.
I know vegans who are physically fit.
They are physically fit. Vegan is a way of living. Yeah.
Okay.
But coming to the eggs, over here, I'll not be quantifying. But yes, 1 or 2 eggs in a day is not bad.
It's not bad.
Yes. And if the food is really not processed, then these cholesterols are good cholesterol. It will not.
HDLs, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
HDLs. It's not LDLs.
Yeah.
So HDLs are good for your body, but if you're having heart disease, cardiovascular issues, if you're having, or if you're having any sorts of health element, then over here please consult your health coach.
Health coach.
Yes.
Okay. So these people who go to gyms and
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah.
So I have I mean I know quite a few of them. So they eat a lot of boiled eggs.
Yes.
But I believe what they do is after the second egg or the third egg, they don't eat the yolk of the egg.
Yes,
They just
yeah.
eat the white.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Albumin. I don't know what's
Yes.
called.
Yes. The yolk. The yolk is having high fat,
high fat.
and ultimately excess of saturated fat is not good.
Not good.
Because when you're taking excess of saturated fat,
Right.
ultimately it will be increasing your bad cholesterol.
Right.
So combination of your whites and one yellow is ideal enough.
Ideal.
But if you're into very heavy building, your bodybuilding is there, then of course the quantification is different over
Will-
here.
will
Yes,
definitely
but
go.
over here I consider the masses are it's a general gender. So for you people, if you're taking a 2 eggs with one yellow is
One yellow.
good enough.
Perfect,
Good enough.
perfect.
Perfect enough. If you're vegetarian, if you're not, no, not a problem.
It's
You
not
don't
a
have to be vegetarian.
You don't have to be vegetarian.
Yeah.
Now milk.
Yes.
Okay. Right from childhood, we are told milk is good for health. Definitely, it's good for health. Now, milk taken with either fish, meat, or any other non-vegetarian food, does it have any kind of impact on the body? People say like कुछ नहीं होता है, milk पी सकते हैं, and you can have milk with eggs. I think is okay, but milk with fish, people say that sometimes you get some
Yes,
one of those-
vitiligo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is
Yes, actually, the any food we are consuming, we need to understand whether it is a citrus, lactose, or every food is having a different nutrient profiling.
absolutely
So if I'm taking a milk, lactose is having a different profiling,
Right.
and if I'm having a citrus, it is having a different profiling.
Absolutely.
So if we combine some food which is acidic in nature, some food is alkaline in nature,
Correct.
that's really not good
Right.
for their health. So if you're taking a fish, you're taking a milk, both the nature of food is totally different.
absolutely
So we don't advise them. The milk has to be independent. Your fish has to be independent.
absolutely
So milk comes with either with your sleeping zone or in the morning,
Right.
and your fish is your food.
Right.
So their nutritional profile is totally different. So we cannot combine, and we should not
We should
make
not.
our digestive tract as a guinea
Absolutely.
pig.
Absolutely. Now, alkaline foods,
Yeah.
they say it improves your health by
Yes.
reducing your body's acidity.
Yes,
So
yes.
Is that a fact?
Very nice. I would like to speak on alkaline food because alkalinity हमारे बॉडी में बहुत होनी चाहिए.
Okay.
बट alkaline फूड से पहले मैं एक मिथ भी दूर करना चाहूंगी. आई नो मेनी पब्लिक विल नॉट अप्रिशिएट दैट,
Okay.
बट जो alkaline की मशीन्स आ गई हैं, वाटर मशीन्स, इस पे हमसे बहुत लोग क्वेश्चंस करते. पीपल दे क्वेश्चन अ लॉट टू मी दैट शुड वी बाय दोज मशीन्स. आई डोंट वांट टू नेम एनी ब्रांड एंड आई डोंट वांट टू
Absolutely.
defame it,
Absolutely.
but this is our perception, whatever I'm giving the scientific evidences.
Right.
So those big machines, they're spending 3-4 lakhs and they're bringing their those machines at home.
Oh.
So those machines give alkaline water. I'm telling you upfront over here, एक स्टेज के बाद हमारी बॉडी में alkalinity रहती ही नहीं है. तो हम उतने alkaline प्रोडक्ट को लेकर के बॉडी को कंज्यूम करके क्या
Right.
करेंगे?
Right.
Our body is a very beautiful filter machines we have. Our lungs, kidneys, intestines, they're beautiful filter machine
Right.
God has given to us. Why you need to put such things? Why you need to put so much of pressure onto your
Especially artificial.
artificial things? So alkaline food is now a very, very beautiful thing. If you want to have alkaline body, so you should have cucumber, you should have spinach. So alkalinity is very good to
Right.
keep your body cancer away.
Oh, even
Yes,
cancer away.
yes. So if anybody wants to keep their body alkaline, and it's good to keep your body alkaline, you have to have all these leafy vegetables, cucumber. They have got high alkalinity, and in between there are so many of detox waters are also there.
Okay.
But I will not be advising you should not have it every day. Once a week or twice a week, it's good enough. So
Okay.
how you can make alkaline water? You can put a dash of lemon, you can put a dash of your ginger, and you can put a little mint, put it in a water for 7-8 hours, and then you can consume. That's the best alkaline water you're having.
Oh, wow.
Your acidity will goes off. And the best part is that people say we cannot take lemon. when
I
lemon,
was just coming to that.
yeah,
the lime, yeah,
yes,
lemon.
so when you're taking lemon, lemon is acidic in nature, but when it goes inside your body, when it catabolizes, it becomes alkaline.
Oh,
So lemon is a very good thing.
yes.
But if you have arthritis or if you have any other joint ache, you need to consult.
You need to.
Yes, yes.
You need to
But alkalinity is must. You need to have food which has got alkalinity, and all leafy vegetables, lemons, cucumbers, they have got high alkalinity, sir. People should consume these food. They should focus on these foods more.
What about ginger?
Yes, ginger. I've already said
Okay.
that lemon and ginger
Lemon
and
and
mint.
ginger.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
In fact, ginger is blessed. Our Indian food is blessed, sir.
Okay.
I consider food as medicine. That's how we work into it.
Right.
And we don't endorse any artificial pills and powders.
Right.
So ginger and you can say turmeric, they are all anti-inflammatory.
Anti-inflammatory.
इट्स अ नेचुरल एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी. आपको कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम जब इंडियन खाना बनाते हैं उसी में जिंजर पड़ रहा है, लेमन पड़ रहा है, हल्दी पड़ रही है. देयर आर सो मेनी स्पाइसेस विच वी आर एडिंग. आपका जीरा, राई,
Right.
मोहरी, whatever we call it, cumins,
Right.
cumin seeds, mustard seed, they all have got beautiful benefit for the gut flora and fauna. So don't hesitate using all those things. You should hesitate using excessive of oil, excessive of refined oil.
Refined oil.
Yes.
Right.
But don't hesitate in using all these things. These are very good for your system.
Wow. Okay. Now, what about onions and garlic?
Yeah.
Is it good to consume onions and garlic, and how do they benefit the body?
Onions and garlics are garlic is having also benefit. Garlic is having more of cardiovascular benefit.
Cardiovascular.
But it's not very compulsion to use it, because there are many communities like Vaishnav communities are there, Jain communities are there. They're not using it. It's
correct.
not compulsory.
Right.
But if you're using it, it's good enough to use it, and it will not be, people don't use it because of their spiritual reason.
Absolutely.
And we respect to that. But if you are using it, it has medicinal property.
It has.
Yes, because it's anti-inflammatory, and number two, it gives you a lot of immune boosting elements. Especially,
Immune boosting elements.
yes,
Wow.
especially your garlic. And in garlic,
garlic.
I would love to add एक छोटा सा, आप viewers को एक टिप भी दे दूंगी. जिनको भी हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल, एक छोटा सा टिप है, आप कोशिश कीजिएगा और उसको आप 21 दिन के लिए इस्तेमाल कीजिएगा. What you have to do is that you have to get a raw honey. Honey has to be pure. Now, please don't ask any brand, because that's your personal choice.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but honey has to be pure. Mix little bit of ginger and mix little bit of, you can say, एक फुटिया जो बोलते हैं गार्लिक, एक फुटिया ही बोला जाता है.
Right.
सिंगल जिसकी सीड होती है.
Whatever you call it.
Yes, single bulb.
Single bulb. Okay.
Yeah, the single bulb of garlic. So you put it into that, keep it under the sun for say a week or 10 days.
Okay.
And then after that, start consuming 1 tablespoon of garlic mixed with your honey and ginger. It will work as a miraculous anti-inflammatory property it has. It will be working miraculously on your cholesterol.
Wow. What about onions?
Onions are also good, sir. Onions
are
are also very good.
Onions
You can add onion. It adds flavor to your food. So you can definitely have it. But
raw onions?
Of course, you can eat it.
Yeah,
Not a problem. और जिनको सर में थोड़े बाल कम है तो वो उनके जूस भी लगा सकते हैं.
अच्छा, juice भी
उसका भी बहुत बेनिफिट है.
Okay. Okay, monosodium
Yes.
glutamate, MSG,
हाँ.
is bad for health and can cause cancer. Myth or fact?
When it is added with the food, which is like noodles, chow mein, that food is bad. This is just a flavoring agent.
Achha, it's just a flavoring
It's just a flavoring agent. So flavoring agents are never bad.
Okay.
But when it is mixed with some food,
Okay.
then it becomes poisonous.
Then it becomes poison.
Yes. So आप इसको जो आप डालते हो noodles में, pasta में, it is enhancing the more taste. So
Okay.
when it enhances the more taste, what happens? Taking a 1 serving, we start taking 2 more servings. We start taking 3 more serving. So अगर हमको 1 बाउल पास्ता खाना है, 1 bowl, small bowl mixed with vegetable, and that too, wheat pasta if you're having, it's a healthy meal.
Right.
But if you're adding all those flavoring agents, so एक की जगह हम 3 बाउल खा लेंगे. So what is harmful? This is a question to the public.
Right.
So my in my conversation, I've been always been appealing to public, don't leave food if until unless if it is being asked.
Right.
Don't leave all the food, but consume it mindfully and
Okay.
with your portion control.
Right. So they also say that, you know, some people say detox is good, and some people say that detox is not good because it doesn't really clean your body of toxins. So
बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है ये डिटॉक्स के ऊपर. और डिटॉक्स के ऊपर एक मिथ सबकी दूर करना चाहूँगी. आपके बॉडी में लीवर, किडनी, स्किन, ये आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. You will not be getting in Phoenix Mall, you'll not be getting it in any of the big malls. It is inside in your body and it's a God's gift.
right.
And they are the filtering process
Correct.
of your body.
Absolutely.
So please respect that.
Right.
So अगर आपको डिटॉक्स टी मिलते हैं, डिटॉक्स कॉफीज मिलता है, डिटॉक्स जूसेस मिलता है, these are all marketing gimmicks.
Oh,
Why are you falling prey of those marketing gimmicks? I mean, this is my question to the viewers. You people are educated enough.
absolutely.
So if you are drinking, just drink it for the sake of, out of an interest, not with the concept, not with that process that yes, it's going to detox my body. आपकी लिवर और किडनी बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से काम करती है. आपको बॉडी को डिटॉक्स करना है ना, रात को 8 घंटे की नींद लीजिए.
Oh,
रात को 7 घंटा मिनिमम डीप स्लीप लीजिए.
absolutely.
Please get into your deep sleep. When you're getting into a deep sleep, then only your body will able to detoxify.
Absolutely.
Otherwise your body won't be detoxifying it. और आपको डिटॉक्सिफाई करने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही चीज देना है जो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, दैट इज स्लीप. गुड night sleep.
Good night
Otherwise your toxicity will be floating in your body. You'll not be feeling good.
Absolutely.
And when the toxicity starts increasing in your body, it will be start depositing in the form of a fat, or it will be increasing your blood sugar.
Right.
And ultimately you will be inviting all sorts of lifestyle disorder.
Right.
And it starts with your simple free of cost sleep, deep sleep.
Absolutely.
और जिसको हम लोग बिल्कुल भी underrated factor कर दिया सर.
I know.
And it is underrated factor not only in Bharat, but it is underrated factor globally.
Across the globe.
Across the globe, people are bargaining with their sleep.
Absolutely.
And what is the reason? What is the reason? The main reason is your social platforms. People are more engrossed into mobile.
Absolutely.
मैं तो मोबाइल को बोलती हूँ अपने शोना बाबू को 8 घंटे दूर रखिए.
बराबर.
वो हमारा शोना बाबू ही है और कोई
Absolutely.
प्रिय नहीं है.
Absolutely.
People are spending, I mean, days and lives together staying in a family,
Right.
but the mobile has become very important.
I know. Correct.
People are sharing life, but they can't share the passwords. Well, that's it. Now a different concept. I don't want to get into that.
Right.
But then I always appeal that keep that mobile at least 7 hours away. Let that blue light should be away.
You're right.
Because so much of retina cancers are happening.
Absolutely.
And children are catching up with the retina cancer.
My God.
People are getting hyper addictive to the mobiles.
Right.
And ultimately they're not sleeping. They're bargaining with their sleep. And when you're not sleeping, your body is not going to detoxify.
Yeah.
So अगर detoxify करना है,
Absolutely.
free of cost का sleep दीजिए, आराम से सोइए. You should get up in the morning and you should feel good. That's a beauty sleep. You'll be feeling energetic.
In fact, I know people who say, "अरे मैं तो सिर्फ 4 घंटा ही सोता हूँ," and they're quite happy with it. It's not realizing that probably in the long run, those 3-4 hours of sleep is probably not good for them.
Sir, it happens over the period of time and they will realize.
Right.
And the people start comparing. मैं तो इस दिन ऐसा ही सोता था, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. But eventually your brain will not function.
Yeah.
You will not, if you're not getting rest, you're not getting enough of oxygen.
The body
your-
cannot recharge.
The body is not getting a chance to recharge.
Absolutely.
So why sleep is made? This is a nature design.
Right.
God has created, or the nature has designed in such a way,
Right.
the nights are meant for sleep and the
Right.
mornings are meant for work.
Absolutely.
So we should respect. Again, back to basics.
Back to basics. So diabetes.
Hmm.
They say that only eating sugar
Hmm.
gives you diabetes.
Not really, of course, again, but that doesn't mean you'll be eating a lot of sugar.
Okay.
See, when your insulin hormone has stopped working, That is your type 1 diabetes. And type 2 is when your insulin hormone is functionally, it's functional.
Partially functional.
Yes. So now what happen if we are taking too much of carbohydrates? बहुत सारा कार्ब हम खाना खा रहे हैं, तो कार्ब के बारे में भी बात करेंगे, बट आपको बेसिक बता दूं, जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा कार्ब्स खा रहे हो तो हमारे जो शरीर के अंदर when the food goes inside your body, what happens? The sugar is formed.
Correct.
When the sugar is in excess, what happens? It starts floating in your blood because it is not able to get catabolized by the liver or any other part of the body.
Right.
So in that stage, what happens? We are getting diabetes. हम sugar patient बन जाते हैं.
Right.
तो यहाँ पे carbohydrate plus if you're taking lot of sugar, so ultimately it's converted into your pure sugar and fats.
Sure.
So when the excess of sugar and fat is not getting catabolized by the liver,
Right.
it is converted into your sugar disease. We become diabetic.
Absolutely.
So ultimately, indirectly or directly, taking of excess of sugar is harmful.
Okay.
And by the way, to add on to sugar, sugar gives same pleasure what cocaine gives.
Really?
Yes, the sugar gives same pleasure what the cocaine or the other drug is giving. If you withdraw it, आपको withdrawal symptoms आने लग जाएंगे.
Withdrawal symptoms.
You will not be feeling good. You will be feeling giddy. You will be feeling, why am I not having sugar? After 2-3 days, you will be started getting cravings. But if after 21 days, again 21 days is a habit building challenge which I always give to all my viewers. आप सिर्फ 21 दिन शुगर के बिना आप खाना खाइए, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी आपके कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में, सब्जियों में आपको नेचुरल शुगर मिलता ही है, फ्रूक्टोज भी मिलता है,
Right.
नेचुरल कार्ब्स से आपको शुगर, यू गेटिंग अ शुगर. सो
Right.
उसमें और आप एक्सेस शुगर ले रहे हो तो वैसे ही it becomes more dangerous, it becomes more poisonous to a body.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So you should not be taking, you'll not be consuming excess of sugar to
Excess
it.
amount of sugar.
Yeah.
So brown sugar, honey, maple syrup, and agave or
Yeah.
agave nectar
Yes.
are healthier substitute for sugar. Is this a fact or
None.
none of them?
None of them.
Okay.
Because आप जब कुछ खा रहे हो, now viewers are smart enough, they can answer. अगर आप कुछ भी खा रहे हो, आपके शरीर के अंदर कुछ भी जा रहा है, so do your body is able to differentiate, this is honey, this is sugar, this is maple syrup, this is corn syrup, this is coconut syrup, this is coconut sugar, this is brown sugar? No. Calorie quantification is same.
Oh,
They all hold the same calorie, whether it is a sugar, whether it's a brown sugar, whether it's your whatever
Maple
names you have
syrup.
given, maple syrups and all those things you have
Maple,
given. What is moderation is the key element of your success. Whatever you're moderating and having it.
Right.
Now, if you're moderating your jaggery, अगर आपने एक sugar के जगह एक टुकड़ा jaggery का लिया, तो jaggery is having some nutritional profile
right.
as compared to white sugar, because white sugar is having a zero nutritional profile.
Zero.
Yes, I consider it to be more of sulfur driven, sorry to say that, but this is what my understanding it in so many years of practice.
Right.
So if you're taking a jaggery, until unless it's pure, so how you understand it's pure, that from wherever you're buying, that's your understanding is. So for example, if you're taking a jaggery, that is an energy booster if you're taking it into a limit. But yes, if I'm giving you green signal, that doesn't mean कि आज चलो गुड़ के आपने 4 लड्डू खा लिए, 5 लड्डू खा लिया,
Right.
उसके बाद बोलो कि मेरा तो वेट बढ़ रहा है. So calorie quantification में तो सब equal है.
Absolutely.
All the calorie quantifications are equal. You'll not be finding any difference in any of the calorie quantification, whether it is your jaggery or whether it's your honey.
Right.
So choice is yours, but openly I'm saying you that these, apart from sugar, they have nutritional benefit. Honey is having a nutritional benefit.
Right.
Your good is having, jaggery is having a nutritional benefit if it is taken under moderation.
And you get organic good also, no?
Yes, we get organic good. We get organic jungle honey also.
Achha, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
But how you understand it's organic?
how do you understand it?
That's a question. If it is too dark brown in color, the jaggery is too dark brown in color, it's organic.
It's organic.
Yes.
Okay. Now coming to another side, away from sugar, salt.
Yes.
Now, if you have high BP, they say don't take a lot of salt. But I know people who have reduced their salt content and they have sodium deficiency.
Yes.
So where do you
Yes.
draw the line?
Over here, first of all, सॉल्ट के जो आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करने की बात आती है, पहले तो एक और चीज बोल दूं, पिंक सॉल्ट एंड व्हाइट सॉल्ट.
Oh,
So now body don't understand whether it's pink and white.
right.
Now if you're taking 1 teaspoon of white salt, in that 1 teaspoon what happens? If you're replacing it with pink salt, so you're taking the pink salt does not have that level of saltiness.
Saltiness.
So in that stage, what you'll be doing, you'll be taking 2 teaspoon of pink salt.
Right.
So your quantification has increased.
Right.
1 से 2 चम्मच बढ़ गया है. So again you're harming your body.
Right.
Secondly, thyroid patient needs iodized salt.
They need iodine.
Yes, and people like everybody, we also need iodized fortified salt.
Right.
So we are not getting that amount of mineral from your pink salt.
From the pink salt.
Yes. Until and unless doctor is prescribing that please switch to pink salt,
Right.
you can switch to pink salt.
Right.
Number 3, when the salt is added in the food, it gets mixed up. It is formulated beautifully
And it's while it's being cooked.
while it is being cooked. But when BP is again a different question. But when a BP patient is putting salt again,
Again over the cooked
over the
food.
cooked food,
Yeah.
that is becoming more dangerous because it starts, there is a lot of water retention in your body.
Right.
So we don't advise that.
Right.
So in that case, many people say, मैंने तो salt खाना ही छोड़ दिया. Why are you becoming self-doctor? My question is that to all the patient that please don't be self-doctor.
Completely stopping salt.
They completely, and then when there is a sodium less के बाद फिर उनको they start they get dizziness,
Dizziness, I know.
they get convulsions as well.
Yes.
And वो चक्कर में
Right.
they have even gone to ICU.
I know. Yes.
And it is a serious thing. So don't leave the salt until and unless it is advised by doctor.
Yeah. Don't take drastic actions.
Don't take drastic actions, and it's my kind request. I know many people may not be appreciating. Please don't get influenced by so many reels.
Right.
Some reels are just meant for monetization.
Right.
There are so many scientific based theories are there.
Right.
So if you have any confusion, you can meet a doctor, solve all your confusion, and lead a good life. Many people have messed their life just by seeing reel, just by following their detox chart, just following their meal replacements, and they are messing up with their bodies.
And doing self-medication.
They are doing self-medication. सब आज के डेट पे डॉक्टर बन गए हैं.
Absolutely. Okay, so soya sauce.
Yeah.
They say soya sauce makes the wound darker.
Not at all. The wound darker has got some different chemical elements inside our body.
Okay.
That is the main reason. Soy sauce has no reason. But yes, I will not be encouraging using too many of soy sauce or ketchups and dressings because it has got a lot of emulsifier, lot of preservatives which are really not good for the health, and these are all indirectly, it's all cancer developing agents. So you should avoid using all these. Homemade ketchups are very good. Homemade, if you have any sorts of chutney, homemade sauces are really good. Tomato sauces. I still remember, when my father was posted to northern region where it used to be very cold, and we used to get a lot of tomatoes in the winter. So my mother used to make all homemade sauces. So those concepts have gone nowadays, sir,
Yeah.
But those who are really interested into cooking, they can do it. If not, simply just omit all these sauces. But yes, they have no correlation with the wounds.
They have no correlation.
No.
So people take a lot of packaged tomato sauce, chili sauce, and other kinds of things.
Yeah.
And mayonnaise, for example.
Yes.
So
It's all encouraging your bad cholesterol.
bad cholesterol.
Yes. And, everybody looks for taste enhancer. So when you are looking for a taste enhancer, certainly जो भी खाने में आपको टेस्ट आ गया, समझ लो आपको that's a gateway for your poor health.
Gateway for the poor.
Yes. And if you make a nice diet food, if you start loving, that is a gateway for your good lifestyle. So if you're really foodie, so people are nowadays curating good food, diet food, please go ahead with it. But adding it up with lot of emulsifiers, lot of sauces, and lot of meal enhancers, those spices, these are not encouraging.
They're
Too
not,
much of
correct.
processed food are not encourageable.
Sugar, giving too much sugar to the kids makes them hyperactive. True, false.
Yes, it does make them excited,
Excited.
not very hyperactive.
Okay.
They feel very excited. Salt make them very hyperactive.
Salt makes them
Yes.
hyper.
तो मैं यहाँ पे आप एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करना, जिनके भी छोटे बच्चे हैं, अब आप उनको चिप्स का पैकेट दोगे, दे विल बी एडिक्टिव एंड दे विल बी हैप्पी. बट इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ होम मेड चिप्स, फिंगर फ्राइज आपने घर पे बना लिया, the kid will not be that excited.
It'll not be that exciting.
Yes, because it has got addictive substance.
Addictive substances.
Yes. So if you are giving the homemade bhaji, or if you're giving a homemade finger fries, the kid will having 4-5 piece or 6 piece and the kid will be done.
Yeah.
But you will not be seeing that excitement level and that hyperness level which the addictive food gives. So over here, all the mothers who are watching, or fathers who are dadas who are watching, please don't give packet foods to your kids, because that will be not be able to develop their brain.
Junk food.
Junk foods that will not be able to develop their brain, and their formative years are for natural food. The body is made for natural food.
Natural food.
They are not made for the additives and preservatives. And why we
Correct.
need to give to our kids all
Absolutely.
these things? But the irony is happening. If a kid is crying, chips ka packet de do. Both the parents are working nowadays. I mean, that's how the DIG income is increasing.
Right.
But unfortunately, you know, I want to talk on this thing for 2 minutes because it's a very sensitive topic for me. The kids are future of a country,
Absolutely.
and they are the intellectual capital in last, you can say, in another 10 years, 20 years down the
Absolutely.
line, and they are the real resource to
Right.
our economy. So why not we should take care of our kids?
Absolutely.
Why the concept of having weekend dinners or weekend lunches happening so often?
Right.
This is my general question. I know many people may not be liking,
Right.
but every week when the parents are working, Saturdays or Sundays, it has become a real fashion, especially in metros. People will go out, they'll be having all entire processed food, your McD or your burgers, pizzas, and etc. They're having all these things, and they're feeding themselves, and they're coming back. Over here, my 2 points are there. First of all, weekends are family time.
Right.
Why family can't cook one meal together? Don't you think that is going to increase the bond among the family?
Absolutely.
मम्मी पापा बच्चे एक साथ बैठे, and if they are into joint family, that is going to create a social knit,
Absolutely.
and it has got a rippling effect. It will not be creating a feeling of anxiety, depression, because you have got people around. People are lonely nowadays. Social circles are reducing. It is just for the namesake. Just for the drinking, they need social people. Just for
Absolutely.
hanging out, they need people. But how about heart-to-heart conversation? Who is going to listen your conversation? Who is going to stand with you? So my point over here is that from the chips, it has come up.
I know.
You can give to your kids. Sometimes treat is always rewardable for your cognitive function, for your happiness, for your mood elevating. But when it becomes recurring, it is going to harm our entire society. And over here, this is a beautiful, platform. Over here, I am appealing everybody.
Right.
अगर ऐसा करके हर पेरेंट्स ने थोड़ा सेंसिटिवली सोचना शुरू कर दिया, तो don't you think we'll be developing a very nice, beautiful, healthy nation? And health infrastructure is increasing like anything.
Right.
People are spending so much on their insurance. People are spending so much on their medical expenses are increasing.
Absolutely.
हम अपने घर पे ये छोटी छोटी चीजें करके क्यों ना हम अपने सोसाइटी को अपलिफ्ट करें?
Perfect.
And
I know.
and this is going to create a better harmony in our society.
Absolutely.
और मैं तो बोलूँ ये आपका और मेरा बच्चा नहीं है, सोसाइटी का बच्चा है.
बिल्कुल.
कल को कोई आईपीएस निकल जाए, कोई डॉक्टर निकल जाए, कोई आईएएस निकल जाए. सो दे आर फॉर अ सोसाइटी, फॉर अ नेशन. We need a healthy nation. Really, I mean, I feel very bad when I see I have got a 11-year-old child coming, and he's a diabetic, juvenile diabetic.
My God.
सो 11 साल का बच्चा इंसुलिन के जोर पर है, फिर 14-15 साल की बच्चियां पीसीओडी के शिकार हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्मॉल पैकेट, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोसेस्ड फूड. एंड वी ऑल नो दीज थिंग्स वेरी वेल. हमें ये सारी चीजें पता है कि हमारे बच्चों को देना नहीं है. जस्ट टू कीप देम काम एंड जस्ट टू कीप आवर मी टाइम, वी आर जस्ट गिविंग देम. हाउ सेल्फिश वी कैन बी. I'm sorry. I mean, this.
In fact, when you go to a mall, when you go to watch a movie,
Yeah.
they have a lot of different type of popcorns.
Yes.
In the burger patties which you get,
Yes.
and those finger chips which you get along with it, along with whatever that aerated drink you get. Those burger patties are deep fried. The finger chips are deep fried in those pans that they have in
Yes.
these malls.
Yes.
And parents take them along and actually encourage the kids to have that,
Correct.
saying that it's not really bad for health. It's tasty. It's good. So again, where do you draw the line?
Where do we draw the line? The parents have to understand, because one question was asked, how do you train kids? I said the kids are not animals. They are not staying in circus कि वो टाइगर या एलिफेंट या बेयर तो नहीं है, नाच झमूरे नाचने लग जाएगा. He or she is a human.
Absolutely.
So whatever you are doing, the kid is going to copy.
Absolutely.
So this is a very sensitive, concept for me, because I'm very sensitive for my society, for my nation.
Absolutely.
And the health is becoming a prima facie. If we are not going to take care of our health, next 20 years down the line, if we see a generation rotting with their thoughts, with their depression, with their anxiety, with their poor health, how we are going to see the economy of a country?
Correct.
Where are we going to see हमारा भारत महान है, किस जगह पे हम देखेंगे? If we are developing into technology, we are developing into other infrastructure, so what about health infrastructure? So I appeal from this platform, and this is a beautiful platform, people should take care of their kids' health and their health also. So एक सैटरडे संडे आप जो है हमेशा अपने घर पे खाना बनाइए. दिस इज गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ सोशल बॉन्ड अमंग योर फैमिली. और पारिवारिक सुंदरता तभी आती है जब सब साथ में बैठे हो.
Absolutely.
People should eat at least one meal together.
Absolutely.
This is what the beauty is. And when the kid is seeing that mom, dad, my grandparents, they are together, this is what the learning will be coming. We are enrooting that values under them.
Absolutely.
So this is a very sensitive topic to me.
Absolutely. Now gluten.
Yeah.
Okay. Gluten, people have been consuming gluten all their lives. But the new mantra is that gluten is unhealthy. Again, it's true, false?
No, absolutely false.
Okay.
Gluten, we have got it in wheat.
Right.
Until unless you have got some autoimmune disorder, doctor has said no need to take gluten, stop taking gluten. But yes, gluten is there in wheat also, gluten is there in your other millets also.
Right.
But if the gluten is there in your pasta, biscuits, in your noodles, Maggi, that is harmful.
That is harmful.
Yes. Never, your complex carbs are never harmful to a body. Never ever.
Right.
So gluten is never harmful until unless it is suggested. And if your flora and fauna of your gut has got haywired, if your gut system has answered, if you're having a leaky gut, your microbiomes of the gut has changed, you don't have a good microbiome, then don't eat gluten. With the advice of a doctor, don't be a self-doctor. So
Right.
gluten is not bad, You should eat whatever is there in your plate.
Okay. So ghee is not good for the heart.
Ghee is very good for the heart when it is taken under moderation.
Under moderation.
And when it is not taken under moderation, anything in excess is bad. जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं हर चीज़ की अति बुरी होती है. तो अगर आप 1 चम्मच की जगह पे आप 4 चम्मच डालोगे, 5 चम्मच डालोगे, हर मील के साथ आप डालोगे, so that saturated fat, where will it go? Where will it go? So saturated fat is ghee. It becomes solidify. That is how we, define saturated fat. So it starts solidifying in your arteries, in your veins, and then you will be saying ghee is bad. Ghee is actually not bad. Ghee gives mobility to your joints.
Absolutely.
Ghee gives elasticity to your skin. Ghee gives good fat. Our body do not produce good fats, by the way.
Right.
So from where we are outsourcing? We are outsourcing from the format of a ghee.
Right.
We are outsourcing it from a format of a good fats, from your walnuts, from almonds.
Okay.
So ये सब चीज़ें हमें मॉडरेशन में खाना है. अब लोग पूछ रहे ड्राई फ्रूट कितना खाना है, हर मील के बीच में खाना खाएंगे. ड्राई फ्रूट शुड नॉट बी हैंडफुल, इट शुड बी फिस्टफुल.
Okay.
4-6 दाने आपने खाए, दैट इज इनफ.
That is enough.
बट आप उसको हैंडफुल खाओगे, अपने खाने और नाश्ते के बीच में आप उसको एक स्नैक बना के खाओगे,
Right.
दैट इज हार्मफुल.
That is harmful. Butter.
Butter is also good. वाइट बटर,
White butter.
यस, जिसको हम लोग महाराष्ट्र में लोनी बोलते हैं, सफेद मक्खन,
सफेद
बिल्कुल खाइए मॉडरेशन में। घी, लोनी, जो भी गुड फैट्स है आप उसको मॉडरेशन में खाइए, दैट विल बी गोइंग टू गिव यू अ वेरी गुड कोलेस्ट्रॉल। बट इफ यू आर ईटिंग इट इन एक्सेस, एलडीएल इनवाइट कीजिए आप।
Okay. Cholesterol is bad for the heart.
Hmm.
Causes all kinds of chronic
No,
disease.
the cholesterol is the key for your vitamin D. Cholesterol is for your hormonal development like estrogen and other hormones. So how can we say cholesterol is bad? Bad cholesterol is bad. Refined oil, जिसको आप गर्म कीजिए तो कैंसरस बन जाता है, because that element is disturbing your thyroid, that disturbs your hormonal balancing. So that is disturbing. But if you are taking a good fats, if you're taking a घानी oil,
Right.
जिसको हम लाकुड़ का ऑयल बोलते हैं, cold press oil, those are good fats.
Cold pressed oil.
Yes, those are good fats, and
Right.
those are encourageable for your good cholesterol. So cholesterols are never bad. हमारे बॉडी को फंक्शन करने के लिए कोलेस्ट्रॉल की तो बहुत
Liver produces cholesterol
yes,
to a great extent.
to a great extent, of course.
Yeah, okay.
और लीवर को ध्यान कौन रखेगा? जब हम टॉक्सिसिटी वाला खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो हमारा लीवर ऑटोमेटिकली अच्छा फंक्शन करेगा।
Right.
तो कोलेस्ट्रॉल इज नेवर बैड। विटामिन डी की लोगों को कमी हो गई है आज के तारीख में,
Right.
बिकॉज दे आर नॉट टेकिंग सनलाइट, अर्ली
taking
मॉर्निंग सनलाइट्स, that is free of cost again.
I know.
So I feel that people, when they're paying it for all those shakes and meal replacements, they feel great. But
Absolutely.
whatever is available, nature has given. The nature has
Right.
designed a body. The nature has designed the environment. Just listen to your heart. Listen to the nature's beauty. You will automatically sink into it.
Right. Saturated, trans fats, and processed foods, they're not really as bad as they're made out to be.
Yes. They're actually not bad also if it is taken under moderation. And if you really want to celebrate, simple example, if you want to celebrate, if अगर आपके पास मोतीचूर के लड्डू रखे हुए हैं,
Right.
so saturated भी है, trans fat भी है, processed भी होकर के आया है, तो अगर हम एक टुकड़ा भी खाएंगे तो we are celebrating. Why you need to have 4 मोतीचूर लड्डू?
Right.
There are people who have been telling कि मैं तो एक पाव डब्बा खा जाता हूँ.
Oh,
सो वैसा सेलिब्रेशन और जो एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा खाया है, वैसे सेलिब्रेशन में व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? I mean, you people are smart enough to answer.
Absolutely.
You people are intelligent enough to answer. The celebration comes with your heart. The
Right.
celebration comes with your joy, with sharingness, with caringness. Celebration don't come that if you're taking almost 250 grams of motichur laddu, which has got all the 3 aspects. This is just an example I'm sharing. So again, for me over here, the point is moderation is the key to success.
right.
So if you're taking any of the food under moderation with limitation, you know that the portion control is the key, and you're just eating it for your taste bud enjoyment. That's enough. That is really enough.
So tinned food, frozen food,
Yes.
there's a lot of preservatives.
Yes.
I'm sure all of these chips also we spoke about.
Yes,
All these things
yes.
which are on the shelf or if kept in the freezer or in a
Yes.
cool zone,
Hmm.
they have preservatives.
Hmm.
So people say that, I've been eating tinned food,
Hmm.
processed food all my life, and there's not really be a problem. Is tinned food and frozen foods, like you have chicken sausages, you have
Hmm.
other veg patties, burgers, which are frozen. Is it good or bad?
These are all raw carbohydrates.
Which are raw carbohydrates.
Yes. And all the processed foods, they have got all the tinned foods, they've got high saturated fats and salts, which is again anything where high comes is not good. When you are into an emergency, that you don't have anything, from where are you going to cook, or you don't have a cook, or you cannot cook, or whatever reasons you have, then these are like your saviors. But if you come up into the habit or practicing habit,
Right.
especially in Bharat, that concept is really not good.
Right.
Let's believe in fresh cooking.
Absolutely. So,
हम लोग वेस्ट को बहुत कंपेयर करते हैं, मतलब वेस्ट की रहन सहन, संस्कृति, दोज आर टोटली डिफरेंट. आज मैं लोगों से पूछती हूँ, लोग ऐसे ऐसे डाइट्स बताते हैं, मैं उनसे सीधा सवाल करती हूँ. मेनी ऑफ माय पेशेंट कम्स, दे टॉक अबाउट all those diets which is like celeb driven. See, celebs are that's show business. I mean, I have also
Right.
worked with models, and जो दिखेगा वो बिकेगा.
right.
So that's
absolutely.
a show business they are having.
Definitely.
So when they have that level of show business, they'll speak anything to have lot of publicity, to have a lot of viewership or whatever you call it. And then they make it as a trend and they feel very elevated that we are the trendsetters.
Right.
But, you know, in reality, the things are totally different.
Absolutely.
So if we compare it with the West, I asked my patient that do your mother when you were inside her tummy, तो आपकी मम्मी क्या वो ऐसा खाना खाती थी या आपकी दादी वैसा खाना खाती थी? तो हमारे अंदर तो हमारे माँ बाप का जेनेटिक्स है,
बिल्कुल,
जो भारतीय जेनेटिक्स है, तो भारत और वेस्ट का जेनेटिकली कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है. We can't compare. The fooding
Absolutely.
pattern is different.
Absolutely.
Our demographic factors are different. Our natural habitat is different.
Definitely.
So fooding has to be different.
Absolutely.
आप उसको modify कर सकते हो because awareness तब नहीं था. अभी
Right.
हमें awareness है, तो अब
Right.
हम उनको food को modify कर सकते हैं. Understanding the environmental factor, understanding our, you know, what a body is requiring at present, because we are intellectually aware. But that awareness crosses all the cultural boundaries, and we try to cope up and we try to match it up what West is doing. That will never be sustainable. So
Okay.
whatever food you're eating, whatever diet you're doing, it has to be sustainable.
People say that fruit juices are more healthier.
Hmm.
It has all the nutrients
Hmm.
rather than having the fruit raw.
Okay.
One. The second thing is you can eat fruits only on an empty stomach.
Yes. First question, that juicing, whether we should juice
Juicing,
it and we should have it. So, again, it becomes a very questionable that to all my viewers, आप अभी orange खाने बैठे हो. So take a orange. How many orange are you going to eat? 1 orange? 2 orange? I think that is enough.
Yeah.
But if you're going to have a juice, to have at least maybe 350 ml, somewhat 350 ml, you need at least 4 to 5 oranges. So that's a high fructose.
Oh, yeah.
High fructose is a high
Absolutely.
sugar.
Yes.
So when it's a high sugar, your body should be in a capacity to catabolize. Your liver should be in a capacity to catabolize.
Right.
If it is catabolizing, well and fine. If it is not, it gets stored in the format of a glycogen in your
Right.
liver, and liver starts using it when you are doing some cardio activity.
Right.
When you're not doing any cardio activity, your body is not active, that glycogen is converted into fatty liver, cholesterol and many other lifestyle disorder.
Right.
ये आपके सिर्फ जूस के you know
Answer था.
आंसर्स थे.
Okay.
तो प्लीज जूसिंग वूसिंग मत कीजिए, बच्चे को भी फ्रूट खाने की आदत दीजिए.
Right.
अभी छोटा बच्चा है, यू नो, we can understand the kid is small, तो उनके लिए 1 orange 2 orange का juice will be 1 or 2 ounce.
Right.
That is okay. Those who have not developed their teeth yet.
Right.
So जो teething में भी आते हैं, तो juicing कम, उनको हम लोग बोलते हैं give them a small piece of orange, let him chew, let
Chew
him
it.
feel it,
Feel the
let
thing.
him understand this is a natural process. The teething will come, दांत eventually आएगा, इंसान का
Absolutely.
बच्चा है.
Absolutely.
So juicing is not good. Juicing is only advisable when the patient is almost in a, sorry to say, in a deathbed. जब उनको सिर्फ लिक्विड डाइट ही जाएगा और कुछ नहीं खा सकते हैं, तो जूसिंग सोचा जा सकता है. वो भी बहुत लास्ट स्टेज की बात है. हम जैसे नॉर्मल जो है, हमको भगवान ने अच्छे दांत दिए हैं, यूज इट, ईट फ्रूट, रॉ फ्रूट. एम्प्टी स्टमक जिनको एसिडिटी है, डोंट यूज द एसिडिक फ्रूट लाइक ऑरेंजेस एंड ऑल. बाय द वे, जो नॉर्मल फ्रूट्स आते हैं, आपके एप्पल आते हैं, पियर आते हैं, यू कैन हैव इट, यू कैन हैव दैट, यू कैन हैव योर green tea and go for a walk and run. Don't sit at home.
Absolutely. So intermittent diets,
Yeah,
crash diets,
yeah.
and fasting are not good for health.
Intermittent fasting is a way of living.
Okay.
And this is a very old pattern. ये तो बहुत बढ़िया कॉन्सेप्ट जैनिज्म ने डेवलप किया था. अगर पास हिस्ट्री में जाऊं, तो ये तो जैनिज्म का कॉन्सेप्ट है. वो शाम के 6 बजे के बाद कुछ नहीं खाते हैं. And they are the fittest in our community, according to my knowledge,
Right.
best of my limited knowledge.
Right.
I have never seen Jainism में ज़्यादा health elements के issues आए हैं. तो this is a way of living. 6-7 के बाद वैसे भी आप नहीं भी खाओगे, तो you get into intermittent only. Next day morning, you're breaking your fast, which we call it as breakfast.
Right.
So that's a lifestyle. That's a way of living. Now comes as your crash diet. That is never sustainable. Crash diet will be encouraging not fat loss but muscle loss.
Muscle loss.
Yes, and you will be dehydrated. Ultimately, you will be hogging what you're not supposed to hog. So you, because you will be start taking more of emotional eating.
Right.
And emotional eating only happens when you're doing a crash diet.
Right.
अब आप बहुत ज़्यादा crash diet कर रहे हो तो आपको हर जगह खाना ही दिखेगा, अरे मैं कब खाऊंगा, मैं क्यों नहीं खा पा रहा हूँ. This leads to more of emotional eating when the
Yeah.
food comes to you. So crash diet तो please excuse me, I mean don't do it. Fasting you can do it because that will be keeping your gut strong. And fasting once in a week is very good, simply by having just lemon water, chia seed आप डाल सकते हो. You can have honey water. You
Oh.
can have normal. These are energetic
Right.
waters. You can have. You can have few fruits also in that, and you can keep your body very light. If you are not able to cope up with water and fruit, then you can have soup also. So ये आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी है. कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, mornings एकदम light रख के, एकदम evening just by 6 o'clock break it with your khichdi diet. That's it. That's a very good way of, you know, keeping yourself very light. No need to fast it if you are not able to fast it.
Right.
And people who are into perimenopause, especially women
Right.
who are into menopause, they are already haywired with their hormones. तो अगर उनसे फास्टिंग नहीं होती है तो आप बिल्कुल इस तरीके की कुछ भी ओमैड एंड ऑल ये सब आप बिल्कुल मत कीजिए. और अगर आपको ऐसा कुछ भी करना है, कृपया करके यू शुड meet your health coach, you should meet your doctor. That will be, you know, sufficing all these
Let
problems.
them decide.
Yes. तो मैं तो अपने भारत के कॉन्सेप्ट को भी बहुत पसंद करती हूँ, जो हमारे एकादशी जो होता है हर 14 दिन में आता है. तो एकादशी इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग बिकॉज दैट वाज अ वे ऑफ फास्टिंग. एवरी 2 weeks आवर बॉडी यूज टू डिटॉक्स. बट इसको एकादशी को क्या कर दिया है कि अभी एकादशी की शुरुआत होगी अच्छे साबूदाने की खिचड़ी से. एकादशी की शुरुआत होती है आपके इसके पोटैटो चिप्स से, और ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें आप एकदम सिंगाड़े के आटे की पूड़ी बनती है तो हलवा बनता है. वो एकादशी नहीं है, वो तो आप बस अपने मन को मना रहे हो कि हाँ भाई मैंने तो फास्टिंग किया है. फास्टिंग मीन्स टोटल फास्टिंग. अपने सिस्टम को आप आराम दीजिए, और हफ्ते में या 2 हफ्ते में एक बार अगर एक बार ये करते हो, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. यू आर कीपिंग योर गट वेरी स्ट्रांग. उससे क्या होता है ना कि आपके लीवर के ग्लाइकोजन जो एक्स्ट्रा है वो निकलने लग जाएगा, तो आपको लीवर के ऊपर जो एक्स्ट्रा बोझ है वो हट जाएगा, टॉक्सिसिटी आपकी रिलीज हो जाएगी, योर लीवर विल बी फंक्शनिंग क्वाइट वेल. सो इन एवरी 2 weeks योर फास्टिंग फॉर वंस इज वेरी गुड. प्लीज कंटिन्यू डूइंग दैट. But all those faded diets are not at all sustainable,
Right.
and it is going to lead you nowhere.
Vegan diet and vegetarian diet.
Yeah.
So vegan diet is not as good as a vegetarian diet, or is it vice versa?
ये बहुत सर ये बहुत पर्सनल पर्सपेक्टिव है लोगों का, because again vegan is their way of living.
Right.
They believe that plant-based diet is ultimate for them, and many people are vegan from many years. So if they are able to extract that level of nutritional level from those plant-based, and if they're not falling sick and their vitals are very good enough, please go ahead with it. There is no controversy into it.
Right.
But if they are not feeling well, their deficiencies are going down, their body mechanism is not functioning that well, then it's a time to, you know, reponder what sort of diet you're taking.
Okay.
See, my fundamentals are very simple. Whatever diet you're following, whether it is paleo, vegan, Mediterranean, so many concepts have come up. It has to be sustainable, number one.
It has to be sustainable.
Sustainable. If you can sustain it for a very long time, then it's very good. If you cannot sustain it just because it's difficult to sustain it, that means you have to re-evaluate. Number 2, what you have to do is that these diets don't just get affected by, you know, influencers or celebrities or some of your friend. Every body is individual.
Right.
Some may be suited with any of the diet, like your intermittent. Some may be suitable with the frequent eating. So every body is designed in a different manner, और हर एक की body की requirement अलग होती है. So you should design your diet according to your body, listen to your body. And you should, before starting any diet, it's my general advice, go for your total routine blood checkup.
Blood checkup.
आप अपने lipids को check कराओ, अपने LFTs को check कराओ, अपने kidneys को check कराओ कि आपके body में कोई deficiency तो नहीं है.
Right.
And then you should plan accordingly, then you should design your diet accordingly. So आपका vegan diet हो गया या आपके Mediterranean, this is your personal choice, of course.
Absolutely.
until unless it's not affecting your body, please go ahead with it. If you're feeling next day, wow, I'm so energetic, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है, आज तो मैं 5 किलोमीटर भाग के आऊँगा या आऊँगी, तो हाँ, you should go ahead with these type of diets.
Absolutely.
Next day अगर आप उठ रहे हो and you don't feel like getting up, you're feeling lethargic, your mood is swinging, you're irritable, your anger is going high, you're not getting happy hormone.
Right.
भाई खाना ही तो हमारे लिए मेडिसिन है. The food is medicine for us.
Right.
If that is not going inside to a body in a format of a happiness, in a format of your elevating of a mood, then काहे का वैसा खाना, क्यों खाना ऐसा खाना?
Absolutely.
ये मेरा सवाल है सब लोगों से. So before following it up, understand, evaluate your body, map it up, what it is required, then go ahead.
Eating disorders only affect women and is a lifestyle choice.
Not at all.
Not at all.
वी आर ह्यूमन. सब खाना खाते हैं, फीमेल भी खाती है, मेल भी खाते हैं. बदनाम कौन होता है? वो औरतें होती है. सो फीमेल आर मोर वनरेबल.
They are more vulnerable.
दे आर मोर वनरेबल. सो हमारे फीमेल्स में एक प्रॉब्लम क्या है? मेल्स डोंट अंडरगो विद द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल.
Absolutely.
फीमेल गो विद द मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल.
Right.
उनको ल्यूटल फेज भी आता है, फॉलिकुलर फेज भी आता है, तो इनके जो फेजेस और मेंस्ट्रुअल फेज भी आता है, तो उसमें जो उनका जो मूड एलिवेशन है वो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है.
Absolutely.
तो व्हेन दे आर इनटू देयर ओवल्यूशनरी फेज, दैट्स अ वेरी एक्टिव फेज. They are into their prime. They're running. They should run. They should do their exercise. They should eat mindfully. The moment they are into their luteal phase, they become little vulnerable. ये hormonal का थोड़ा सा impact होता है, imbalance होता है. उसमें भी आप mindfully खाइए कि this is for your good health. So you should give more concentration towards leafy vegetables. You should give more concentration towards your healthy proteins, good fats, and you should do little light workout. So this is how you can manage your hormone. And ये बहुत scientific तरीका है सर. बॉडी बहुत अच्छे से रिएक्ट करेगी. पर आप अगर अपने एकदम ल्यूटल फेज में हो और आप बोलोगे मैं 10 किलोमीटर आज भाग के आता हूँ, आज मैं बड़ा डेडलिफ्ट मारूंगी, तो योर बॉडी वोंट सपोर्ट एंड अल्टीमेटली यू आर इन्वाइटिंग लॉट ऑफ इंजुरी. तो यहाँ पे डिसऑर्डर तो डेफिनेटली इस फेज में आता है, बट जो भी खाना खाते हैं उनके मेंटल लेवल पे जब अफेक्ट होता है तो वो वी कैन नॉट बी जेंडर बायस. डोंट वरी, आई एम ऑन योर साइड.
So multivitamins are not good for health. I mean, it's of no use really.
No, it's
not essential for health.
No, it is of use. 100% it is of use, but who requires? तो हमारे पास जब पेशेंट आते हैं बोलते हैं मैम मुझे आप सारे मल्टीविटामिन लिख के दीजिए, तो मैं बोलूँ किस रीज़न पे? आपके सारे पैरामीटर्स सही है तो मल्टीविटामिन खाने की क्या आवश्यकता है? सो व्हेन योर पैरामीटर्स आर फाइन, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, गेट योर रूटीन ब्लड चेकअप डन, look into your parameters. If you feel it that your parameters are not right, consult your doctor and rectify it.
Absolutely.
But अगर आप एकदम healthy हो, आपको कोई health elements नहीं है, 6 months के blood routine में भी you're finding it yourself to be very healthy enough, then why you need to take that multivitamin? That's my question to everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, it's an unnecessary things we are doing it to our body. And
Right.
there's no point making a body absolutely into a guinea pig.
Absolutely. In moderate quantities, alcohol is not harmful for the liver. Nor does it lead to a fatty liver.
अभी मैंने बहुत ट्रेनिंग्स दी है साहब, बहुत ट्रेनिंग्स दी है. और मैंने ट्रेनिंग मेजरली तो मैं क्लास 1 ऑफिसर्स को ही ट्रेनिंग देती हूँ, सुपर क्लास 1 ऑफिसर्स को ही. IAS हो गए, IPS हो गए, सेक्रेटेरिएट्स, अंडर सेक्रेटेरिएट्स हो गए. जो आपका जो सवाल है ये उनका सबसे पहला सवाल रहता है. ये तो आपने मुझे बहुत आखिरी में पूछा है.
Right.
ये उनका सबसे पहला क्लास के शुरुआती में सबसे पहला सवाल रहता है. और मैं डेविल फिगर बन के निकलती हूँ.
Okay.
अभी मैं आपको आई विल आंसर इट विथ माई पेशेंट्स केस. आई विल डिस्कस वन केस. हमारे पास एक पेशेंट आए थे बहुत साल पहले और बहुत सीनियर ऑफिसर के फादर हैं एंड ही हैड लॉट ऑफ फिजिकल एलिमेंट्स. तो हमारे जब टीम के डॉक्टर्स ने पूछा कि ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स दिखाओ, तो व्हेन वी पैनल ऑफ डॉक्टर्स वी वर सिटिंग एंड वी वर डिस्कसिंग, तो वी गॉट टू नो दैट द पेशेंट वाज अल्कोहलिक. So then we consulted his son that was a father is alcoholic. So he said he was alcoholic. So I said when he left alcohol. So he said he left alcohol 10 years back. So my answer is that His father left 10 years back the alcohol, but alcohol did not left his father.
Oh.
So alcohol जो है that goes into your blood, it goes into your blood. So यहाँ पे अब लोग हमसे डिबेट करते हैं कि मैडम हमें तो वाइन लेना चाहिए, वाइन बड़ा गुड होता है हेल्थ के लिए, दैट्स वेरी गुड फॉर हेल्थ. बट it's a way of wine industry how beautifully it has marketed.
Oh.
Alcohol is alcohol,
Right.
whether it is a wine or whether whatever name you have.
So when this person left alcohol, did he completely stop everything, or was he taking some alternative like wine or something else?
No, he completely left alcohol.
Completely.
So his body was not supporting. So he completely left alcohol.
Completely.
But then after leaving the alcohol, those withdrawal symptoms was persistent up to 10 years.
10 years.
Yes. And alcohol won't leave you. You can leave alcohol. So whoever suggests you moderation is the key for alcohol, if in principle, if you're speaking with me, coming to this public platform, I want that my society should be alcohol free. No means no.
No means.
I have zero tolerance to that because it leads to many physical elements. बहुत सारे आपके physical issues हो जाते हैं.
Right.
सबसे पहली चीज तो है your cholesterol will be high. When your cholesterol is high, it is a gateway for your cardiovascular diseases.
Absolutely.
With that, your fatty liver, the alcoholic fatty liver in Pune, in Maharashtra, across Bharat is increasing like anything. Now, fatty liver is divided into two parts. Non-fat, that is non-alcoholic fatty liver, NAFLD, and one is alcoholic fatty liver. So, alcoholic fatty liver is increasingly going very high, and it is coming up under the bracket 25 से 30 साल, 35 साल. They are all into alcoholic fatty liver. मैं तो सब youth को बोलूँगी, get your liver screening done
Check.
every 6 months if you're alcoholic.
So what about the non-alcoholic fatty liver? What is that caused by?
That is
Oil.
caused by carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates.
Yes, that is caused by processed food. अच्छा सा चीज़ बर्गर खाने का, अच्छे से पिज़्ज़ा जिसमें डबल चीज़ बस्ट हो, फ्राइज हो, कोक हो, योर कोल्ड ड्रिंक हो, योर कोल्ड कॉफी, deep fried. These are all your bad carbohydrates. These are all, again, it's a welcoming to your non-alcoholic fatty liver. So both are again affecting your liver. And I'm telling you, we cannot buy liver. If you're going for transplant, go ahead. 50 lakh, 60 lakh, please go ahead with it. But it's not very sure whether it's going to be successful or not. So I'm not here to make people scared. I'm giving you a point of caution.
Right.
Being as a lifestyle coach, being as a public figure, we really want, because we are seeing
Absolutely.
every day, one or the other day, the young couples are coming, the husband is suffering from non-alcoholic or wife is suffering from alcoholic. That's not good.
That's not good. So cold weather. They say cold weather only causes colds.
Huh.
And antibiotics can cure colds.
No, antibiotic cures bacteria.
Okay.
Antibiotic don't cure virus.
Viral infection.
Yes. So now when you have a viral infection, then certainly rest is required.
Right.
Your body needs more fluid is required. And whatever your antivirus medicines are basic over-the-counter medicine you're getting. If your cold is not getting suppressed by these things, then you need to check a doctor. And if it is a doctor's suggestion, do you require antibiotic or not? Number one. Number two, cold weather do not support that. Yes, because there's a cold weather, person is getting cold. We get vulnerable because our immune system gets affected. And during the cold weather, the virus is having a scope of living more.
Right.
So that's why if you see, the viral survivors are more in the winters.
Absolutely.
But if there is a summer, the viral survival is not high. So people fall sick during a transitional season. Their immunity becomes weak.
Absolutely.
So people should work on their immunity, not on the weather.
So colds are not necessarily caused by cold weather.
Not at all.
Or having ice. It can be caused by
viral. It's a viral infection. Basic cold and flu, COVID,
Correct.
all these are viral infection.
Viral infection.
And if it becomes severe, if you're becoming breathless, or if you're not feeling well, or if your fever is not getting down, if fever has touched up to 103, 104, then please check with your doctor. If it is required, then they give you antibiotics.
Okay. cracking your knuckles causes arthritis.
There are gas bubbles. So
Okay.
when there are gas bubbles are there, so when we are cracking our knuckles, that voice comes.
That,
But if
that crackling sound.
yes, that crackling sound comes.
Okay.
So if you keep on crackling, your hands will become weak.
Okay.
Arthritis is a different concept. It is a autoimmune. The virus is different, and
Okay.
arthritis happens due to overweight, due to age.
Okay.
And if you're having a very sedentary life, your joints are not moving, एक ही जगह बैठे हो, तो नी काम करेगा ही नहीं, joints काम करेंगे ही नहीं, तो ultimately जंग लगना ही है.
Absolutely.
So these are the different
Absolutely.
factors for arthritis.
Right.
But you know, this snacking and all will not be creating arthritis, but irritation सामने वाले को जरूर हो जाएगा.
I know,
So
definitely.
please don't irritate people by just cracking your knuckles and all, and then you say कितना relaxed हो रहा है. Not at all. If you
Absolutely.
feel your hand needs a relaxation, take a smiley ball, press
Right.
it, you'll feel relaxed. और हैंड में जो एक मशीन भी आते हैं, हैंड में ऐसे प्रेस मशीन्स
Which is
आते
good
हैं
for the grip.
जस्ट फॉर द ग्रिप. आपकी ग्रिप भी बहुत अच्छी मजबूत होगी और ये सब चीजें करने की जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी.
Now microwave. We warm foods in the microwave. People
Yes.
cook in these ovens and all. Microwave ovens produce electromagnetic radiation that can lead to health hazards. One. Secondly, the microwave food, they say it doesn't is healthy
Yeah.
and it does not really destroy the nutrients in the food. It doesn't dehydrate the food.
Ah.
Is this true? False?
See, microwave heating it becomes more bad when there is a plastic added.
Plastic is added.
So if you having a glass bowl, always it's a safer one.
Okay.
So microwave heating is really not bad. If it becomes bad when you are putting a plastic. So plastic.
So it reacts with the plastic.
It reacts very badly. Whenever plastic is heated, it reacts very badly.
Right.
So please make your house plastic free.
Okay.
वो they are not at all biodegradable. कितने साल लग जाते हैं अगर
Right.
आप उसको गूगल अप करो तो
Right.
कितने 100 साल लग जाते हैं टू बिकम बायोडिग्रेडेबल. वो भी ढंग से नहीं होता है. तो उसके टाइनी पार्टिकल्स इफ व्हेन इट गोज इनसाइड अ बॉडी it starts reacting it, and when that reaction increases, you're inviting cancers.
Absolutely.
So please avoid plastic in any cost and condition until unless it is emergency, then it's fine. But emergency में भी plastic क्यों? Why? I mean, there are so many glasses which has come up, which is not at all plastic. It is biodegradable.
Right.
At home also, why you need to use plastic? Plastic and aluminium, please put up a ban. And teach your household maids also. बेचारे मेड्स को भी अवेयरनेस नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
आप अपने हाउस होल्ड हेल्पर्स को, आप लोगों को ही बताना है कि एल्यूमिनियम में खाना नहीं खाएं. वी शुड नॉट हैव फूड इन एल्यूमिनियम.
Talking about aluminium, this food that we pick up from restaurants,
Yeah.
the hot food,
Yes.
is packed in aluminium
Yes.
covers or plastic covers,
प्योरली कैंसरस.
purely cancerous.
प्योरली कैंसरस. एंड नाउ दे से कि हम खाएं तो क्या खाएं.
खाए तो क्या खाए?
आप रेस्टोरेंट में जाके खाइए, एंजॉय कीजिए, फैमिली टाइम एंजॉय कीजिए.
Or get it
Once
packed,
in
or
a
get it packed in a glass bowl.
you have, if it is possible, many people are doing that. But पहली बात है कि मैंने already discuss किया है कि every now and then restaurant eating, Swiggies and all are not good. If you're going to eat once in a while is never bad. If you're choosing a healthy option, you should go, you should enjoy, have a leisure time, talk to your friends, have a healthy. There's so many healthy options are available nowadays in Pune. The बहुत सारे healthy options हैं. Millets के आजकल pastas बनते हैं, millet के pizzas बनते हैं. तो those are health freak also, near to your home also, and you can have a leisure also.
Absolutely.
So I
Another
believe
thing-
into that.
Yeah. Another thing, roadside food. Okay. I'm not talking about either vada pav or whatever's made, burchi or whatever's made outside. The oil is recycled.
Yes. Yeah.
So people have it. जैसे हम तो खाते आ रहे हैं, हम तो रोज खाते हैं. क्या है उसमें? Is it bad? Good? Is it? How harmful is that?
अब जो हम रोज खाते आ रहे हैं, आप भारत में अपने इंडियन मेडिकल रिसोर्स का एसोसिएशन का रिसर्च देखिएगा. भारत को एक्चुअली ओबेसिटी एंड शुगर का करार कर दिया गया है कि दे हैव गॉट अ हाईएस्ट शुगर पेशेंट एंड हाईएस्ट ओबेसिटी. सो हमको कुछ नहीं हो रहा, तो ये क्या हो रहा है? एंड देन अनहैप्पी नेशंस में आ गए हैं हमारे देश.
Unhappy nation.
अनहैप्पी नेशन.
My God.
Mental wellness, people don't talk on mental wellness. Depressive thoughts are coming. And I consider food as medicine because when you're eating a real good food, when the good food goes into your body, the oxidized blood will be there, oxygenated blood will be there, you'll be feeling much more better, you'll be feeling much more energetic. तो आप इन सब चीज़ों को कंपेयर क्यों नहीं करते हो? हमें कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, मैं तो आपसे बोलूँगी आप उसको माइक्रो लेवल पे अपने आप से क्वेश्चन करो, क्या मैं खुश हूँ? क्या मैं हेल्दी फील कर रहा हूँ? क्या मैं वेट गेन तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ? एम आई एबल टू डू माई रूटीन एक्टिविटी? क्या मैं घर का काम कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ, या ऑफिस के साथ साथ एम आई एबल टू हैंडल माई वर्क? खाली जिम करना ही हमारी एक्टिविटी नहीं होती, जिम के साथ साथ हम घर की भी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, रेगुलर एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं, दैट इज व्हाट योर एक्टिवनेस कम्स. रोड साइड फूड, if you're eating once in a while, you know, for a change,
I know, it's okay.
it's encouraging. But every now and then, just to, you know, encourage your taste bud, it's not good.
Okay,
Let's
so-
not go for shortcuts, sir. I mean,
Absolutely. So finally, I just want to come to the to this important thing. Pickles, very spicy foods, very hot beverages. Okay, do they cause ulcers?
pickle, no, if it is homemade and if it is not used as a vegetable.
Because pickles have preservatives, very high in salt content.
Pickles, homemade.
Okay,
I'm,
homemade.
yes, I'm emphasizing on homemade. तो पिकल को अगर आप सब्जी की तरह खाओगे तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी डेंजरस, आपके बीपी शूट हो जाएगा.
Right.
पिकल इज टेकन इन अ स्मॉल क्वांटिटी एंड इफ इट इज होममेड इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोबायोटिक, गो अहेड, बट स्मॉल इन क्वांटिटी. अब
Very
ऐसा,
small quantity.
हाँ, अब ऐसा नहीं हो कि आप ये बोलो कि मैडम ने बोला पिकल खाओ तो सब्जी की तरह आप खाने लग जाओगे पिकल को, तो दैट इज नॉट गुड. घर का बना हुआ पिकल, क्योंकि घर में शुद्ध ऑयल यूज होता है
Right.
और उसमें विनेगर और एक्स्ट्रा कुछ भी प्रिजर्वेटिव्स नहीं यूज होता है, तो उसको आप थोड़ी सी क्वांटिटी पे आप खाते हो, एकदम थोड़ी सी,
Right.
जस्ट सी माय हैंड एंड ईट इट इनटू दैट क्वांटिटी, you that's a very good probiotic. Now coming to your very spicy food, see, spicy food will disturb your gut lining, sir.
Right.
तो हमारे अंदर जो है 70 से 80% वी हैव गॉट गुड माइक्रोबायोजम. तो वो गुड माइक्रोबायोजम को और बढ़ावा देने के लिए वी नीड टू हैव गुड प्रोबायोटिक्स, वी नीड टू हैव गुड फैट्स, गुड कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स. पर उसमें अगर हम लोग खूब स्पाइसेस डालते हैं तो दैट गट लाइनिंग स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब. तो व्हाट वी डोंट गेट अल्सर डायरेक्टली, विल बी गेटिंग खट्टा पानी मुंह में आना, एसिडिटी होना,
Reflux.
रिफ्लक्सेस आना, गैस्ट्रिक होना. पीपल कॉल इट एज न्यू नॉर्मल, वी कॉल इट एज एब नॉर्मल. तो अगर ये चीज़ें आपकी परसिस्टेंटली इंक्रीज होती, इफ इट कीप्स ऑन इंक्रीजिंग, तो अंडर दैट सर्कमस्टांसेस अल्सर इज द गेटवे.
Dr. Sonal, finally, I would like to tell you if you have anything else to share with our viewers that we have missed out regarding lifestyle,
Yeah.
eating habits, and all that. Please tell our viewers whatever.
Yes,
Yeah.
one thing I would like to say, please don't cut down carbs 100%. We should not take carbs. We should not take carbs. Carbs is not a villain. Fat is not a villain. आपके ब्रेन को फंक्शन करने के लिए गुड फैट, शुगर की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट से शुगर बनता है, उससे हमारे बॉडी में एनर्जी आती है. बट माई पॉइंट इज डोंट टेक इट नेकेड कार्ब. Take fiber, take good amount of protein, have a balanced meal. So if you're cutting it up 100%, you're cutting it up your carbohydrates. नहीं, मुझे नहीं खाना है कार्बोहाइड्रेट. प्रोसेस कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स आपको नहीं खाना है जो हमारे मैदा में उपलब्ध है. मैदा को कितना दिन लगता है डाइजेस्ट होने में? इट टेक्स 48 hours to get digested. So if you're taking a complex carb, and I'm telling you, I have traveled across भारत. हमारे भारत की संस्कृति में कुछ इतने अच्छे अच्छे खाना है, इतना अच्छा अच्छा फूडिंग हैबिट्स है. वी शुड इनकरेज दोज लेवल ऑफ फूडिंग हैबिट. अगर मैं महाराष्ट्र की बात करूँ, पिटला एंड भाकरी. पिटला इज प्रोटीन, भाकरी इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब. मिलेट्स का इंट्रोडक्शन आप कीजिए अपने खाने में. अगर आप साउथ में जाइए तो मिलेट्स, रागी का इस्तेमाल होता है, दैट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर कैल्शियम, फॉर अ बोन डेवलपमेंट. आप अगर ये सीजन में अगर आप नवरात्रा का फास्ट कर रहे हो तो हमें विटामिन बी की कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो उसके लिए सिंगाड़ा के आटे की रोटी आप बना के आप खा सकते हो, तो आपको बी कॉम्प्लेक्स की कमी नहीं होगी, मुंह में छाले नहीं होंगे. तो अंडरस्टैंड दीज कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्ब्स आर नेवर बैड. What is bad is a processed carb. And any carbohydrate, if you're taking complex carb, don't make it as a naked. Just eating a complex carb is enough. You should add little bit of fiber and protein. That becomes as your combined food. तो आपको प्रोटीन तो लेना ही है. जो भी वेजिटेरियन सोर्सेज में आपका पनीर आता है, टोफू आता है, आपके ग्रीन दाल आती है,
Right.
चना चौली, आप बिल्कुल उसको आप खा सकते हैं. चना मसाला बना के नहीं, नॉर्मल चना बना के
normal
खाइए,
चना, okay.
नॉर्मल भटूरे के साथ नहीं।
Okay.
उसके बाद अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हैं तो आप अपना फिश खा सकते हैं, मीट खा सकते हैं, मीट भी आप रोस्टेड चिकन वगैरह खा सकते हैं। सो दीज आर सम ऑप्शंस, आई एम जेनरिक ऑप्शन, आई एम शेयरिंग यू। तो आप बिल्कुल भी ऐसा मत सोचिए कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट जो है वो हमारे जानी दुश्मन है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। आपके बॉडी को फंक्शन करने के लिए, आपको एनर्जी के लिए ये सारी चीज़ों की रिक्वायरमेंट है, और गुड फैट्स भी हमारी बॉडी को प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर पाती है। सो यू नीड टू आउटसोर्स इट इन द फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ घी which has to be just a little, 1 teaspoon 2 teaspoon in a day is sufficient। तो ये मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, और मैं फीमेल्स को खास करके यहाँ पे बोलना चाहूँगी, प्लीज़ डू स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग। हम लोग जो है स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करते नहीं है। हमें लगता है कि बीइंग एज अ फीमेल वी शुड नॉट बी डूइंग स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग बिकॉज वी मे डेवलप दैट फिजिक, यू नो, मैनली फिजिक। दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल। हमारे अंदर ईस्ट्रोजन है, तो हम कभी भी बल्क नहीं हो सकते। इनफैक्ट हम लीन हो सकते हैं, वी कैन गिव अ गुड डेफिनेशन टू अ बॉडी। सो मैं हर फीमेल को यही बोलना चाहूँगी जो प्री मेनोपॉजल स्टेज में, पेरी मेनोपॉजल स्टेज में है, जो मेनोपॉजल स्टेज में है, आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग कीजिए, आपके अंदर रिमार्केबल डिफरेंस आएगा, एंड योर बोन डेंसिटी विल नॉट गेट हेवायर, जो आपके वो स्टेज में हो जाता है। तो आपको बिल्कुल ये करना चाहिए। उसके अलावा सबसे बड़ा इंग्रेडिएंट है, आप कुछ भी खाइए, anything, whatever you're eating best of best meal, you're eating best of best food from best of best place, you should resonate from here.
Right.
You should feel happy, you should feel content,
Right.
you should feel satisfied at the end of the day. When you're not happy and you're not happy with your own self, then what is the use of those food is wastage.
Absolutely.
If you're eating a normal food but you're staying happy and you're spreading happiness, I think we develop a better tolerance, we develop a better community to live.
Absolutely.
I mean, we should have that level of love to our country and our state.
Dr. Sonal, it was a pleasure having you with us, and thank you for sharing your insightful views on our Wellness Hero shows. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Jai Hind and Jai Maharashtra.